your angels cover me every day, cover me every night. No telling who I know soon. I'm on the top and I keep on winning. Higher we go, highest we go there.
They counted me out, but I came even harder. You peer me FM, but I be screaming louder. I made all this magic like abracadabra. Nyagana fire me, but still I'm a power. Can't trust a person who sell out for dollar. Me value cost show like a vintage Impala. Will be a my downfall, cause I know a lot of you niggas be haters and be crab all this power. You can just stay in your feelings. Me, I just break all the ceilings. I see all you people like miserable Siemens, wasting my time just to fight all these demons. Idols go tend to your rivals. Pray and just pick up your Bible. Y'all don't know why you can't get close to Michael. Me money pump me just for my survival. Man, I've been fighting this battle with demons inside of me. I just want to stay in my lane so nobody can bother me. Bitch, I'm too sensitive, intimate, touching me ego.